Let's make a delicious fresh homemade butter that will stay months in the fridge. You start off with heavy whipping cream and really just put it in a blender on a low pulse, slowly, increasing the speed, and you'll see it become a whipping cream. And you just keep going faster and faster, and you'll start to see the milk and the butter start to separate. It'll become chunks, and then before you know it, it's going to be buttermilk and butter. Now strain it out in a colander or in a strainer. Pour some cold water over it and do a few folds. Keep putting the cold water to keep it from melting. Get it in a little bowl, add some salt to taste, and mix it up real well. You give it a few more folds to shape it, then put it in saran wrap, roll it up real nice, and get it in the fridge for whenever you're ready to eat.